Hi, this is Chris Luby with the Noonan Ellison Academic Advising Center, presenting one in a series of tutorials on using the online registration tools, in this case Wolverine Access. This tutorial will cover how to register for courses from within your Wolverine Access backpack. So to get to Wolverine Access from the University of Michigan Gateway page, under the Quick Links section on the right, the very bottom link is Wolverine Access. Next, under the Student section, the first link is Student Business. Click on that, and then you just need to log in. Next, from the self-service page of the Student Business section, you want to click on Student Center in the top of the center of the page, and then under Academics on the left, click Backpack and Registration, and this brings you to your backpack. So you'll notice that right here from within your backpack you can see whether the courses that are in there are open, closed, or whether there's a wait list. Just look on the right hand, under the right hand column, the status column, for one of the three colored icons. The green circle tells you that the class is open, the blue square tells you the class is closed and that there's no online wait list available, and the yellow triangle tells you that the class has closed but that there is an online wait list that you can add yourself to. So let's say that you had put a class in your backpack that was open when you put it there, but then since it's closed in a waitlist form. So for example, Women's Studies 240, you'll notice at the bottom of the page that the section that I've chosen, section 5, has since closed in a waitlist form. So if a class has more than one component, in this case a lecture and discussion, remember that both parts have to be open in order for you to register for the class. So here, when I initially put it in, it was open, but I hadn't checked the wait list, so I can actually change that in the backpack, clicking on the class and then next, and then here I can check wait list of class full and next, and then it goes back into the backpack with that box checked, so that if I would now attempted to register for that class, it would automatically put me on the wait list. So let's say that I want to register for Comp Lit 430, History 371, and Italian 102. So I just need to click the or check the checkboxes to the left of those classes under the select column. So Comp Lit 430, History 371, and Italian 102. Then I click the green button, proceed to step 2 of 3. And here, once again, there's an intermediary page where I can check to see if I've checked all the boxes that I want to, look at the course information, make changes. Let's say everything's fine, and then I just click on Finish Registering. And then on the status page, View Results, it'll tell me, I look for the green check mark, tells me that I've been successfully registered for that class. So here, Comp Lit 430, History 371, I've now registered for those two classes. The red X tells me that there's some kind of problem, and will give me an error message. In this case, I could not register for this because I do not have the prerequisite for this class. So, but let's say that's all fine. Then I've registered for these classes. It's always a good idea, just as a reminder, to print out a hard copy of your schedule once you finalized it, just for your own records. If you have any difficulties with registration, please keep in mind two resources: the PAL office, the Peer Academic Advising Office, which is located in G150 Angel Hall, and of course the Noonan Ellison Academic Advising Center, located in 1255 Angel Hall. So feel free to use these resources if you have difficulties, and happy registering.